All right, I'm confused. Is the fact that the parties I'm confused. Is the fact that the party's at Creepy Jimmy's house, is that stopping you from going to the party? Hey, what's up? It's Matt Easton. I want to give you a little hack right now that's going to help you make millions of dollars in your career, and it's going to help your personal life go a lot easier. Far too often, we are getting in arguments with people. We are trying to overcome objections, whether it's our personal life or we're trying to sell somebody something. Hey, we don't have real-time dashboard reporting, but you don't need that. We've got something better. And what we forget to do is check in with that other person and ask them if the thing that they're complaining about is stopping them from doing the thing we want them to do. It sounds like this, I get it on the party at Creepy Jimmy's. I'm confused on something though. Is the fact that the party's at Creepy Jimmy's, is that stopping you from going to the party? Is, hey, I want to make sure I'm clear on something with our software. Is the fact that we don't have real-time reporting, is that stopping you from moving forward with the software? You're going to be shocked at how many times the other person will say, well, no, we're going to go ahead and get the software, but we wish you had real-time reporting. Stop trying to overcome everything that you think is an objection. Stop trying to live in this perfect world where everybody has to have zero complaints, and just simply move forward. You'll get your way a lot more. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Check us out over at eastonuniversity.com. And if you're looking for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life, consider giving me a follow.